January 1, 2025, a Tesla Cybertruck exploded outside the Trump International Hotel in Las Vegas, resulting in the death of the driver and injuries to 7 bystanders. The vehicle's bed was loaded with fireworks, gasoline canisters, and camping fuel, which investigators believe were connected to a detonation system controlled by the driver. The driver, identified as 37-year-old U.S. Army service member Matthew Livelsberger, was on approved leave at the time of the incident. Authorities found a handgun at his feet, suggesting he may have died from a self-inflicted gunshot wound before the explosion. The FBI is investigating the explosion as a potential act of terrorism but has found no definitive link between this incident and a separate attack in New Orleans that occurred hours earlier. Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, stated that the explosion was not due to a vehicle defect but resulted from the contents placed in the truck's bed. He also claimed that the Cybertruck's design helped mitigate the damage by directing the blast away from the hotel. The investigation is ongoing as authorities work to determine the motive behind the incident and any potential connections to other events.